Hello everyone, welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today we are cutting the Frankenstein soap. And I apologize in advance because I am not feeling well today, and so I could not do the live stream. However, I wanted to cut this soap for you, so we will be doing that. I'm not sure what day I will be back because I've already been ill for a few days, so it may be Monday before I am back, so I apologize in advance if I am not back until Monday. Also, I do have the air conditioning running, so if you hear a fan, that's what that is, and I apologize for that. If it's making it hard to hear me, I am going to try to speak up. So this is the individual bar that we made. I'm just going to pop this out, and this is how that turned out. It's mostly got the gray tones on the bottom, and then we've got the greens and yellows on top of the flower. So that came out super cute. I'm just going to set this aside. And this smells so good. It's got a really nice, clean, fresh smell. Just give me a second to set this on the shelf. Okay, that's on the shelf. Let me also just adjust this camera. I think it's a little off center. Hold on. Okay. Well, that's about as good as I can get it. Alright, so here is the main soap. As you can see, it's got the little flowers on top. And let me just try to get this out without damaging anything. I'm hoping this will slide out easily. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is coming right out. Good, good. Oops. Okay, perfect. So here you can see where we swirled it. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to line this up. That looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and cut these. Alright, that went pretty well. Alright, let's check this first one in the middle. And there's the swirls that we've got. We've got the grays, the black and white, of course, and then this yellow and green with the cute little flowers on top. Here's the next one. That looks pretty cool. It always interests me when we do these kinds of swirls, how they're going to turn out. I always feel like the swirls, when I put the swirl tool in, that I'm going to muddy all the colors, but it never seems to do that. They always stay very separate. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but these are all very distinct lines of color. And here's the last one. And there's the other side. This came out really, really cool, and it smells fantastic. I really like this fragrance. Yeah, it smells really, really good. And those are the flowers on top. And then we'll check the end pieces. This side. So I hope you guys liked seeing the cutting of the soap. I will try to be back Thursday, but if not, It'll be hopefully Monday. I'm hoping I won't be sick much longer than that. I really apologize for this. Hopefully I'll be able to come out with something on Thursday. But if you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me in a short video. And I will see you all soon. Have a great rest of your week.